DJ Smith, bring the beat back.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If your first time stopping by, you are definitely welcome. So yeah, as you can see, we are going for those bold blue eyes and I'm so excited about it. So let's just get right into the video. So guys, I'm starting off with a clean face as usual. Yeah, so first of all, I'm going in with my Pond vanishing cream for oily skin, Ponds. So I'm just applying it and I'm massaging it into my face. It's gonna leave a little bit of white cast, but that's okay. So I went in with my DIY glow spray. I made this actually, so I'm just gonna blend it into my skin so I'll be able to get that glow. You know, your girl got to glow up. So I'm just massaging it in with my hands and I'm using my EYESHADOW concealer in the shade orange to color correct. Guys, I'm so breaking out lately and I don't know why. It's not kind of new to me, but it's weird these days. Anyway, I'm going to blend it out using a blending brush. Did I say brush, guys? I don't even know what is wrong with me today. So I'm just gonna blend it out, as you can see. So yeah, blend. So guys, I'm going in with my flawless Ivy foundation in the shade Nutmeg. Guys, please pardon whatever you're going to hear today. Like, I don't know what is going on. So I'm using my Real Technique brush to blend this thing in or out, whatever. Just blend. I know it might look lighter than my skin tone, but chill, your girl got it. You see, as you can see, my face is actually darker than the rest of my body. So I went in with a dry flat sponge to, you know, dab it in so that I'll remove the excess oil on my face and all that, whatever. So I'm going in with my EYESHADOW concealer in the shade Toffee to highlight. Yeah, got to highlight the face, highlighting my under eye, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my cubic bone, my eyebrow bone, as you guys can see. Yeah, I'm just going to sharpen those edges so I'll keep it glowing throughout, you know. So I'm going to show you guys my face as I'm doing right now. So I'm going in with my blending brush to blend everything in. Gotta get that smooth face going on there. Blend. You just got to blend in this whole thing. Got to blend. Blend. So I went ahead and used my foundation brush to blend it again so it to be nice and seamless. Going with my banana powder. Going to set those areas I highlighted with my concealer. Just gonna dust those powder there, you know, so it will just absorb it and set it well. So I'm going in with my kabuki brush, my Tara face palette to set the rest of my face. Guys, pardon the dog barking. I don't know what is wrong with that. Our dog doesn't want to respect itself, so I'm using it to dust the, oh my god, this dog is so annoying. I'm using to dust the excess powder off my face, and I'm using my dark shade from my Galaxy contour kit to bronze up my face, to contour my face. Guys, don't mind what's wrong, to contour my face. And I'm blending the whole thing out with my kabuki brush I went in and reverse contoured using a shade that is lighter than my normal shade. So going in with my LA Girl eyeshadow primer, I'm using this to apply. I'm applying it on my lid, you know, to make that place pop for the mighty color that's gonna be landing there. So I went in with my blending brush to blend it in. Going in with that orange shade from my Margaret Echo palette from Tara. I'm using this as my transition color and I'm blending it in using my blending brush. As you guys can see right now, blend.
Love is sweet, if you not take time, love is bitter.
I don't know why my face is looking so serious. Whatever. So using that shade from my Mineral Professional eyeshadow, I think it's Bay Nina or something like that. I've had this palette like for as long as I can't even remember. Does that even make sense? You guys get what I'm trying to say? I can't remember when I had it, but that's it. So I'm using it to deepen my crease. As you guys can see right now, blend it with the transitional color. The transition color I applied on my crease. I'm going to blend it very well. So from that palette, I'm taking that blue shade. It's kind of a light blue shade, and apply it on my lid. I'm using a small blending brush to do this because
she's looking for a brother. Steadily I love her. I know get the dollar, but I be correct musician. She's looking for a brother. Steadily I love her.
So I'm going in with the darker blue to deepen my outer V. I'm not sure whether this made any impact or something like that, but I just did it and I don't know why. You can just skip this process. Blend. Yeah, your girl is on fire. So I'm using that shade from my Sleek palette, eyeshadow palette. I've forgotten the name and I can't find it. I think they actually cleaned from the package or packet, guys. So I'm just, it's very much pigmented, as you guys can see, and I'm really liking the look. So I'm using that shade from the same palette to like open up my tear ducts. As you guys can see right now, your girl have arrived. Abatagum, I don't come. So using that shade again, which I used to dip in my crease to smudge it under my eye, as you guys can see right now. I don't want to go heavy under my eye. I'm just keeping it as simple as possible. I'm using that dark blue. I didn't really pick much. I just sparely applied it under my eye. I went in with my Maybelline Colossal mascara to, apply it on my lashes, and I'm going in with those false lashes. It doesn't really have a name. I just picked it from a regular shop like that. So I'm going in with this nude eye pencil that basically doesn't have a name as well. I'm using it to line my waterline. Going in with this eyeliner. Eyeshadow I use for my crease to blush up my face. Setting it right now with my Zarom Perfect Finish, and your girl is feeling it right now. So I went in with the same mascara to add some definition to my lower lashes, if that makes sense to you guys. Your girl got to glow up, and I'm glowing up. Does that make sense? I'm highlighting my face with this Anika K bronzer. This is my all-time favorite bronzer, and I'm using my hand to massage it into my skin so it will be nice and seamless. Yeah.
Steadily, I love I know get the dollar, but I be correct musician. She's looking for a brother.
I'm going in with this classic lip gloss in the shade Thunder to line my lips, and I went in with my Tara lipstick. I think it's something to do with Ore something, but I'm not sure. And I'm going to blend it in very well so it doesn't leave a harsh line. You got to blend. So I went in with my Ruby Cassis gloss, clear gloss. I'm applying it on my lips, as you guys can see, so it will add that glow and succulent effect. Yeah, your girl is done and dusted. You got a slay right there. Oh shey badass. So guys, that's basically the end of this video. If you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Tell me what you guys think in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and yeah, let's get right there and start partying. You know, we can't have this makeup on and we'll not party. Alright guys, see you guys in my next video. Thanks for sticking around with
Compass, I give you my compass. Hey, hey, hey. You give me a show.